Hey there, YouTube fam. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something incredibly exciting to share with you all. Get ready to meet the future of image editing and enhancement, as we introduce you to Pictory.ai. Pictory.ai is a revolutionary artificial intelligence-powered platform that takes image editing and enhancement to a whole new level. Whether you're a professional photographer, a social media influencer, or just someone who loves capturing moments, Pictory.ai has got you covered. Imagine this: you have an amazing photo that you've taken, but it lacks that certain wow factor. With Pictory.ai, you can transform your ordinary pictures into extraordinary works of art. Enhance the colors, adjust the lighting, and bring out the finest details, all with just a few simple clicks. The user-friendly interface of Pictory.ai makes it super easy for anyone to use. You don't need to be a tech wizard or have extensive editing experience. Pictory.ai's powerful AI algorithms do all the heavy lifting for you. Let me show you how it works. Once you upload your image to Pictory.ai, the AI technology goes to work, analyzing the photo and understanding its unique characteristics. Then, it applies advanced editing techniques, tailored specifically to your image. Just take a look at these incredible before and after examples. Pictory.ai can transform dull and flat images into vibrant masterpieces. It enhances details, corrects exposure, removes blemishes, and so much more. It's like having a team of professional photo editors at your fingertips. But Pictory.ai isn't just limited to basic image enhancements. It offers a wide range of creative filters, effects, and styles that allow you to truly personalize your images. Whether you want a vintage look, a futuristic vibe, or even to replicate the style of a famous artist, Pictory.ai can make it happen. Are you excited yet? Well, hold on, because we have even more to share. Pictory.ai offers seamless integration with popular editing software and platforms. You can effortlessly transfer your edited images to Adobe Photoshop, Lightroom, or your favorite social media platforms. To sum it up, Pictory.ai is a game-changer in the world of image editing and enhancement. Its powerful AI technology, user-friendly interface, and endless creative possibilities make it a must-have tool for photographers, content creators, and anyone who wants to take their images to the next level. So, what are you waiting for? Head over to the link in the description below and join the Pictory.ai revolution. Trust me, once you try it, you'll wonder how you ever edited images without it. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more amazing content. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.